Hello, everyone. Check mic. So, in this video, hopefully this is still working. Okay, so I'll be showing off my latest updates to our application. As you can see here, our we have formula query here where we can say, okay, give me the sum of all the loads rate. So as you can see here, it has 99.7, 99,700. Let's see how many counts. How many counts of loads that are with the status of book. Okay. We have 8. All right. So we can also say select loads, and the columns will be the customer name, rate, give me the rate of that load, and who is the assigned driver, and delivery. So the delivery city, delivery destination. Is there like a source? Pick Pickup city, then delivery date. Yeah, delivery date. Okay, and yeah, I think we can just do that. Oops. Okay, so here you go. We have our customer, blah blah, rate, driver, Dallas, Chicago, delivery date, and we can also get the status, I believe. Let's put the status here so that it'll be easy to view. So right, booked, invoice, dispatch. We can even filter it here so that status is equals to dispatch only. Boo! So only the dispatch are showing. See, I'm so good, right? So why are some experts not really good in this designing this product? I'm the best product designer of all time. And we can even export it to CSV. It's now exported to CSV, only dispatch. We can do all of this in reporting, and yeah, we can export this to Excel. If there are like millions of records here, we can like have it like generate this report somewhere, send this as an email, or put this on some like Azure Blob or S3 bucket, and it will be downloaded at some point in time. All right, so that's it. Just showing off how good I am, and if you want to avail our software here, let me know. It will definitely help your businesses, or if you want custom software, I can afford me. I am charging $1 billion per month. All right, cool. Thanks. Bye bye.